Hey, Allah, well, hey. Haven't not was having, not was having. And say, I know be answer, but just I love the address. You know, they bust my head. So let's go straight to the point. Hey, you dey feel me? All right. My can go small. No, they see me well. They see my face. All right. Back to business. Making money online, watching YouTube videos. All right. Making money online has never been easy. I'll tell you true. It has never been easy. There are some people they say, if I drop 2 naira to get 5 naira, last you get end up being scammed. Yeah, this is not what I'm here for. You get? If, let me just make this announcement. If you know see you did to expect say, alpha drop 2 naira to get 20 naira, pack your bag and baggages, move ahead, right? It never tell me speak. I'm only I try to do accent. Accent is not for me. Sorry, I'm vexed. With the expect I'm not vexed. All right. You not get the time we making money online has never be easy. Yes, there are some platforms that come to you say you believe say na genuine like alpha genuine, but last you could discover say they be genuine scam. Are you getting me? Yeah, but let's put that aside. That's not why I'm here. Why I'm here is how to tell you how to make money online. This will not be just online, but watching YouTube videos. It seems impossible to you, right? But it's fucking possible. Yeah, it's really possible. They don't scam me, not be say they don't scam me many times, yeah. For this making money, making online matter, my email don't go different platform, but they don't scam me. But it not pay me because it not get down why my money register, so na free things of fine. But if you're expecting to looking for those maybe now those kind of platform where they say, if I drop 20 naira get 1K, this one not be for you. It's not for you, my brother. Yeah, I come to you clean. Like all those people who feel they scam you, but last and the year you discover say this one will be scam. Making money watching YouTube video is as real as you can ever imagine. But if you want to know how, your transport fare, you just subscribe, like, comment, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. That in the next video now take poster. Not to say I just kinda like poster now. I don't know if you guys gonna no, I don't even know that but we get views. So that's why I'm just keeping it first for the not actually the next video but the fourth video I'll take post now. Yeah, if I see the engagement, yeah. Thank you very much. I know this video is not professional, you know, like the kind of all the English, all the your accent not the fine. Hey, I'm so sorry to break your heart. Hey, just joking. I was just I say joking fast, hello, bro. I was just joking, you know, but how far subscribe. Not your past like that. But see you in the next video. See you in the fourth video. Thank you very much.